Tammy Slaton's transformation has been one of the most remarkable journeys reality television has ever documented, and now the 1000 lb Sisters star has shocked fans by admitting that she was unable to recognize herself after dropping down to around 225 pounds following her life-saving weight loss surgery. This confession has sparked a wave of conversations across social media, with supporters and longtime followers of the TLC series in awe of just how dramatically her appearance and her entire life have changed in the span of just a couple of years. For a woman who once weighed over 700 pounds and spent years struggling with mobility, breathing, food addiction, and dangerous health complications, seeing herself at a weight that was less than a third of what she used to be has been both overwhelming and emotional for Tammy. Tammy's journey has been well documented on 1000 lb Sisters since its debut, with viewers watching her highs and lows as she battled obesity, hospitalizations, and even brushes with death. At one point, Tammy's weight had gotten so out of control that doctors feared she would not survive another year. She relied on oxygen tanks, was confined to a wheelchair, and could barely walk on her own. Her family, including her sister Amy Slaton, pleaded with her to change her habits, but Tammy struggled with motivation and accountability for years. Many fans believed she would never reach the stage where bariatric surgery was even an option. Against all odds though, Tammy surprised everyone when she pushed herself to lose enough weight to qualify for surgery, and that decision has completely altered her life's path. In a recent interview and through her posts on social media, Tammy opened up about how surreal it feels to look in the mirror today. "I don't even recognize myself anymore," she admitted, explaining that when she sees pictures or videos of herself now, her brain still expects to see the woman who weighs 700 pounds. Instead, she sees someone dramatically smaller, healthier, and more confident. At 225 pounds, she says she feels lighter than she ever thought possible. Fans immediately responded with encouragement, expressing their amazement that Tammy has not only achieved such a drastic transformation but also kept herself grounded enough to talk openly about the emotional side of losing so much weight so quickly. Losing hundreds of pounds in such a short amount of time is not just a physical adjustment. It comes with intense psychological challenges. Tammy has often shared that food was her coping mechanism, her comfort, and her way of dealing with stress and loneliness. Letting go of that part of her life has meant finding new ways to handle emotions and stress. As her body has shrunk, she has had to relearn her identity and rebuild her self-image. Many bariatric patients talk about a disconnect between how they feel inside and how they appear on the outside, and Tammy has candidly admitted that she is still working on reconciling those two versions of herself. Another shocking part of Tammy's admission is how strangers and even fans treat her now compared to before. At her heaviest, Tammy said people often stared, made rude comments, or underestimated her capabilities. Now she experiences the opposite, with people complimenting her appearance, praising her bravery, and even calling her beautiful. While this is uplifting, Tammy has also confessed that it sometimes feels strange because she is the same person inside, but she is being valued differently because of her body. She has encouraged fans to remember that weight does not define worth, and she is proud of her journey regardless of how others perceive her. The road to 225 pounds was far from easy. After undergoing bariatric surgery, Tammy spent months in recovery where she had to relearn how to eat, manage her portions, and avoid falling back into old habits. She also underwent physical therapy to strengthen her muscles after years of limited mobility. The TLC cameras captured much of her progress, and fans were stunned to see her walk without assistance, breathe without oxygen, and even take part in activities she never imagined she could enjoy. The mental discipline it took to reach this stage is something she credits to her doctors, therapists, family, and of course her own determination to live. The turning point in Tammy's life came when she almost lost it. Prior to surgery, she was admitted to a rehab facility and placed on a strict monitored diet. During that time, she suffered a major health scare and was put into a medically induced coma after her lungs collapsed. She later said that near-death experience made her realize she could not keep living the same way. Fans have often called her transformation a miracle, and Tammy herself agrees that she feels like she has been given a second chance at life. Now that she has dropped down to 225 pounds, her quality of life has improved in ways she never thought possible. Simple things most people take for granted, like walking into a store, fitting into regular chairs, or riding in a car without special accommodations, are now victories Tammy celebrates. She has also embraced fashion for the first time in years, wearing clothes that fit her new body and sharing selfies that show off her progress. At times she still struggles with excess skin, which is a common issue for massive weight loss patients, but she has hinted at undergoing skin removal surgeries in the future to complete her transformation. Fans are eager to see where this journey takes her next. Tammy's openness about not recognizing herself is deeply relatable to anyone who has undergone a drastic physical change. Identity is tied closely to appearance, and when that appearance changes dramatically in a short time, it can create confusion, disbelief, and even anxiety. For Tammy though, this disorientation is paired with joy and gratitude. She has said that every time she looks in the mirror she has to remind herself that this is real, that she really did achieve what once seemed impossible. Her story serves as an inspiration to others who are struggling with obesity or feel like their health problems are insurmountable. Supporters online have flooded her posts with love and encouragement, often calling her one of the most inspiring figures in reality television today. She has not only silenced critics who doubted her but has also changed the way many people think about perseverance, health, and self-worth. Even in moments of vulnerability when she admits that she sometimes feels lost in her new body, Tammy maintains a hopeful outlook. She tells fans that it is okay to feel overwhelmed and that adjusting takes time, but what matters most is never giving up on yourself. As 1000 LB Sisters continues to follow her journey, audiences can expect to see more of Tammy embracing her new lifestyle, exploring new opportunities, and perhaps even navigating relationships and personal goals that she once thought were impossible. At 225 pounds, she is closer to her healthiest self than she has ever been, and the future looks brighter than ever. Her confession about not recognizing herself is not just a moment of surprise, but a reminder of how far she has come and how much life she still has left to live. Tammy Slaton's story is no longer one of tragedy and fear but of resilience, courage, and transformation, and fans around the world are cheering her on every step of the way. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.